Aujourd'hui, on se retrouve pour un nouveau jour, un nouveau jeu. Vous avez voté pour The Walking Dead. Honnêtement, j'ai pas joué, je connais pas, j'ai jamais vu de gameplay, mais je sens que c'est claqué. Après, on va voir, parce que si c'est The Walking Dead, ça suit la BD, ça peut être intéressant. Si c'est The Walking Dead la série, je vais souffler. Donc go go go, lançons voir ce que vaut ce jeu. Mon dieu, on sent le jeu à petit budget. Je sais pas pourquoi, The Telltale Definitive Série. Je sens le jeu à mini budget. Tu vois, le jeu qui est là pour carry la série en mode allez, allez, on relance ça. C'est quand ça, un commentaire des développeurs carrément, visionnage des personnages, j'en ai rien à foutre, moi je veux jouer. Ça va durer une saison. C'est quoi ce délire? C'est qui ce petit là? C'est Michonne là? Nouvelle frontière. Alors que le monde s'écroule, Javier Garcia se bat pour garder sa famille unie tandis que Clémentine cherche une dernière personne. Ah, en fait, je fais plusieurs petites histoires. Le voyage de Clémentine continue. Elle apprend à survivre dans un monde devenu fou. À qui peut-on faire confiance quand chacun ne se bat que pour soi? Saison 1, de toute façon, ok, je commence par la saison 1. Là où tout commence, face à la fin du monde, les Everest tentent de racheter ses crimes et de protéger la jeune. J'en ai rien à cirer de la jeune Clémentine, hein. Donc je peux commencer par la saison que je veux, moi je veux un truc hardcore. C'est quoi ça, le petit Renoir là? Après de longues recherches, une école reculée pourrait accueillir les jeunes survivants, Clémentine et Ajim à partir. Ah, c'est une histoire qui se suit quand même, vas-y, on va aller pour la saison 1, on va raconter la saison 1. Ah, attends, comme ça je me spoil. Attends, le jeu dès le début de spoil. C'est le jeu, c'est de la merde, hein. Parce que tu dis, je me spoil, mais. C'est le jeu hein, qui me met, moi je lis. Hop là, voilà. The Walking Dead. Cette série, ils l'ont vraiment poncé. Ils l'ont poncé. Un nouvel épisode. Il y a un style un peu comics, hein. À la base, The Walking Dead, c'est un comics, oubliez pas. D'ailleurs, un comics qui est génial, contrairement à la série. Là, on voit qu'ils ont fait un peu le style comics, hein. Moi qui suis un ancien dessinateur, je reconnais.
Well, I reckon you didn't do
Waouh,
it.
waouh, 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 waouh. Audio. Attends, où le français là? Où le français? Où le français Sous-titres activés. Ok, donc il fallait que j'active les sous-titres. Ok. Ah non, c'est bon. Comment je fais appliquer là? Appliquer. Hop là. Continuer. J'ai pas vu. Votre temps est limité pour faire un choix. Quelle
Does it
importance.
really matter?
Nah, not much. You know, I've driven a bunch of fellas down to this prison. Lord knows how many.
Là, les zombies sont
It's
déjà là
about
ou
now
pas encore?
I didn't do it.
Ah, moi je suis un prisonnier. Le silence est une option valide. Regarde le silence. Je parle pas avec les keufs.
But you don't talk too much, do you?
En gros, là, je mange tard, là. Utilisez le joystick droit pour regarder autour de vous. Ah, ok. Bon, ça, y a pas de bug, hein. C'est déjà une première.
I followed your case a little bit. You being a Macon boy and
Vu
all.
que t'es un gars de Macon, qu'est-ce
What
que
do
tu
you
en
think?
penses?
I'm just glad I chose law and not order. Big messy trial like that. Even if you was innocent, a lot of what happened can't ever be undone.
Putain, là, je veux Star, en fait. Ça me rappelle de mauvais souvenirs. En plus, les keufs sont toujours gentils. Moi aussi, quand j'allais au Star, au tribunal, du moins, les keufs, ils étaient sympas. Ça se voit qu'ils sont dépassés par les juges qui font ce qu'ils veulent.
You meet
Les
your
juges de la
wife in
politique.
Athens?
Tu as rencontré ta femme? Ma femme? Pourquoi il parle de ma femme?
You want to know how I see it?
T'en sûr?
Sure.
Regardless, could be you just married the wrong woman.
Attends, je suis en prison, pourquoi là? J'ai tué ma femme? Pourquoi il a pas dit va te faire foutre? Wesh, pourquoi il a pas dit va te faire foutre? Get the fuck off, je sais pas quoi là. Pour harcèlement, je souffle. En raison pour harcèlement, je souffle.
I'm driving this man once. He was the worst one. He wouldn't stop going on about how he didn't do it. He was an older fella, big soft eyes behind a pair of smart folk glasses. And he just wailing back there. Says it wasn't him. Crying and snotting all
Il me
over
casse les
right
couilles,
where
lui.
you're sitting. A bit more hilarious if I do say so. This other
Wesh. Vas-y, raconte sa vie, lui. C'est ça, tu racontes ta vie, ta mère, au lieu de te concentrer. Donc là, je vais pouvoir m'enfuir. On va rouler du Zombix. Est-ce que je peux devenir Negan? Une balle dans la tête comme si j'étais Negan. Ok. Je vais arriver Zombira. Gère-toi balle dans la tête comme si j'étais Negan. Shit.
Thirsty. Ah! Fuck! My leg.
Utilisez la souris pour regarder autour de vous, autour de la voiture. On va essayer de sortir. Ok. Ça arriverait qu'on pète la vitre.
Damn it.
Ouais, qu'on va péter la vitre. Ah, tu vas la péter, ma pote. Tu vas la péter, voilà. On se barre.
I need to drag myself out that window. I need to
Déplace-vous vers
drag
la
myself out that window.
En utilisant le joystick gauche. Allez, dépêche-toi. Allez. Ah, ok, nickel. Bon, les touches sont assez sympas à comprendre. Keuf, il est mort. Utilisez le joystick gauche pour déplacer le nom de la voiture. Je vais prendre son gun. Avance vers lui, frérot. Il doit avoir les clés sur lui. On va lui choper ça. Qu'il crève. Hop là, on prend les clés. Et merci. Comment ça, shit? Frérot, t'es sérieux là? Prends-moi ce truc. Merde, il va se transformer. Merde, vite, il va se transformer, cet enculé. Cet enculé va se transformer. Une fois, j'ai pas, il a pas un autre gun sur lui?
Officer?
Non. Il n'y a pas d'officer. Je sais que c'est un zombie.
Holy shit!
Je connais The Walking Dead.
What in the hell?
On va reculer. Je peux pas l'attaquer, je peux la faire d'autres là.
Get away from me!
Et une balle. Prends la balle, ta mère. Prends la balle. D'où voilà, on va prendre ça. Hop. On charge. Avec ta mère! Arrête de flipper, frère. Prends là. Allez, c'est bon, il là.
Don't make me do this!
Allez, vise. Comment je vise? Et voilà. Easy. Jette la balle, le zombie n'a pas le temps de charger. Easy, nice. T'avais pas un autre gun sur lui là?
His skin's all rotten and he smells like shit. What the hell is this?
De toute à se déplacer autrement, ta part.
Are you dead? Hey! Are you dead?
Vas-y, lève-toi, bouge de là, non? Il est dead, le mec, on va pas rester là toute la journée. Ah, je dois me mettre là pour qu'il se barre.
Help! Go get someone! There's been a shooting!
Ça me voit, il y a une petite fille comme ça qui pop. Oh putain. Et je peux pas les rouler. Attendez les gars, attendez. Bon, c'est l'intro. Me dites pas que c'est comme ça tout le jeu les gars. Moi je m'attendais à un jeu de tir. Mais dis-moi pas qu'en fait c'est un jeu interactif ou je sais pas quoi. Moi j'attendais d'avoir des guns, des battes et de rouler du zombie. Mais en fait c'est un jeu scénarisé interactif, c'est ça. Y a pas de je fais ce que je veux, je roule les gens. Ah, d'accord. Oh, c'est interactif avec des choix. Oh, je sais pas, moi, The Walking Dead, je m'attends à un genre de Resident Evil, quoi. Même si...
Anybody?
on va où, là?
Coming in. Don't shoot, okay?
T'es noir, frérot. Bien évidemment qu'ils vont shooter. Et don't shoot. Bien évidemment qu'ils vont shoot.
Hello? I'm not an intruder. Or one of them. These people may need more help than I do.
J'ai retrouvé la gamine que j'ai vue tout à l'heure, j'imagine. Ah, du sang.
Jesus.
Oh putain. Chier. Le personnage, est-ce qu'il a faim et des fois il doit prendre des gâteaux, des bonbons? Ah, Takuwaki, je peux le prendre, ça fait servir. Tu viens de voler, frérot. Oh, encore un Renoir. Wesh, on est à Atlanta, là, ou quoi?
Huh? Hello?
You need to be quiet.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. They tried to get me, but I'm hiding until my parents come
Elle est
home.
dans la cabane, je suis sûr. Elle se cache dans la cabane, je me mets à couper. Comment t'as fait le tuer? Toujours d'abord mettre en confiance.
Clementine, this is my house.
Hi, Clementine. I'm Lee. Where are your parents?
They took a trip and left me with Sandra. They're in Savannah, I think, where the boats are.
Are you safe?
I'm outside in my treehouse.
Je savais de la cabane.
That's smart.
See? Can you see me? I can see you through the window.
Wesh! Elle sort d'où, elle? C'est quoi? C'est A? A, c'est quoi A? C'est quoi la touche A? Attends, mais la touche A, c'est quoi encore? Putain, je suis mort.
You dead too?
Ah, c'est X? Putain. On va refaire. Après, je dois attendre que les trucs se rapprochent. Attends, il y a un délire où je dois attendre que les trucs se rapprochent. Il y a plus, il y a plus, il y a plus. B. Ok, B c'est rond. B c'est rond, ok. Tiens. C'est la daronne, j'imagine. Elle s'est transformée. Ah, prends ça. Elle va dire mamie. Ouais, c'est la petite qui vient m'aider, je suis mort. Donne-moi ça. On en finit. On finit. Ouais, c'est vrai. Au cas où. Au cas où, on rajoute un coup. Au cas où. On va faire cette soirée de vitesse. On souffle. Ça pour les oreilles DJ, ça me merde.
Hi there.
Did you kill it?
C'est sa maman, j'imagine. Quelque chose d'autre l'a fait.
I think something else did. Before me, I think.
I heard her scream 2 nights ago. Maybe one of the monsters got her.
2 nights ago? Yeah, that's probably what happened. You've been all by yourself through this?
Yeah, I want my parents to come home now.
I think that might be a little while, you know?
Oh.
Look, I don't know what happened, but I'll look after you until then.
Bien altruisme, ce héros.
What should we do
Je me serais
now?
barré, j'aurais dit bon courage à toi, gamine.
We need to get out of this neighborhood. It's not safe. We're less likely to be seen if we move at night.
My parents might come home.
We won't go far. We'll try to find shelter and come back here with others.
That sounds
J'aurais peut-être pas
good.
dû faire ce choix-là.
I can hide in my treehouse until then.
Un bénévole de ouf.
A tough climb with this leg, but that's a good idea. Let's go. Stay close.
Petite, je suis un inconnu. Tu es un peu trop à l'aise. Si t'es pas mon gosse, j'en ai absolument rien. Enfin, pas en temps de guerre, en temps d'apocalypse, wesh. En temps d'apocalypse, plutôt. Alors, j'ai d'autres soucis de m'occuper des gosses des autres. Ils en ont après toi?
They're after me, not you.
Why?
Ah, c'est les keufs.
Stay down! Georgia State Patrol!
Dude, he won't listen to that.
We're friendly. There's a little girl here.
Oh shit, you're not one of those things.
Neither of us are.
Oh, damn, you've got a little girl. We're sorry about that. Well, Andre's sorry about that.
On a des alliés.
Officer Mitchell.
My name's Sean Green. This is Andre.
Officer Mitchell.
Did you see any of those things? One of them just got our buddy Chet.
I just saw a girl inside that house.
Nah, it wasn't him.
Oh shit, you hurt your leg pretty bad. Look, help us find the thing that got our buddy, and we'll take you and your daughter down
Aide-nous
to
à
my
trouver
dad's
notre
farm
pote et
to
on
see.
peut mettre la fiance souhaitée dans la chambre de mon père et devrait pouvoir se mettre
I'm
à
not her dad. The
un
neighbor.
voisin.
Her parents are out of town.
Au mieux mentir.
Let's get a move on.
We just were.
Non, moi, qu'est-ce que...
It's Chet!
Let's go!
Le marteau,
Get to my
toujours.
car. Go!
Ah oui, on roule dessus, frère. Ça joue avec des graphiques comme ça. Avant que je fais exprès. Bah, c'est un jeu interactif. Forcément, les graphismes, c'est pas le plus important, c'est l'histoire. En fait, dans ce genre de jeu, c'est l'histoire qui importe. C'est une histoire où on te dit, imagine, toi, t'es dans The Walking Dead. Voilà, t'es là, quels seraient tes choix, qu'est-ce que tu ferais? Tu vois, c'est vraiment pour les mecs qui ont kiffé la série, qui sont à fond dedans. Oh putain, imagine un monde apocalyptique, putain, qu'est-ce que je fais?
Yeah. I'm sorry, Sean.
Et bon, là, le problème, c'est que voilà, on est quand même tiré dans des sens, dans un sens assez évident.
Take care, you two.
Tu peux pas devenir Negan.
Thank God you're okay.
I was worried it'd be bad here, too.
Been quiet as usual the past couple days. Old Brecken down the way thinks his mare's gone lame, but that ain't nothing new.
I ran into Andre outside of Atlanta, and, Chet. He got killed.
No. You're kidding.
Those things got him. Dad, I don't know what's going on.
I'm sorry, Sean. You've brought a couple guests.
On a
We
juste besoin
just
de...
need a little help. We won't stay long.
Good. You're welcome to stay here, but just for the night. I don't run a bed and breakfast.
Putain, vraiment l'hospitalisation américaine. Hein.
Oh, not his daughter. He was her neighbor.
Honey, do you know this man?
Yes.
Okay, then. Well,
Je pensais qu'elle allait me
looks
balance.
like you hurt your leg pretty bad there.
Yeah, it's not doing so good.
I can help you out. Sean, run on in and check on your sister. You, take a seat up on the porch and I'll go see what I have.
Hospitalité. Hospitalisation. Ah, j'ai dit hospitalisation. Il y a l'hospitalité, autant pour moi. L'autre se doit d'être hospitalier.
Yeah, this is swollen to hell.
Could be
Pourrait être pire.
worse.
That's what it sounds like. Seems like things got awful bad in the cities. What did you say your name was?
I didn't.
Well, now's the time.
It's Lee.
Nice to meet you, Lee. I'm Herschel Green.
Y'a pas dans la série du un Green aussi?
How'd this happen?
En sautant, on va se faire une barrière. C'est
Car
bien,
accident.
That's so. Where are you headed before the car accident?
Home.
Where's home?
I grew up.
Ouais, j'ai un peu trop.
We hit a guy. One of those things you've been hearing about. On the road.
Who are you with? The girl?
Nobody.
Is that so?
Ah, lui, il fait trop le mec, il veut tout savoir.
It is.
You said we. That's all. House is full up with mine. We got another displaced family of 3 sleeping in the
Echelle se
barn.
souviendra sûrement de cela.
Daughter are welcome
À
to
qui s'en
that.
souviennent?
We're done here. I didn't get your name, darling.
Clementine.
Can't imagine what you've been through, Clementine.
C'est un rage
Looking
quoi de
after
ouf.
her until we find her parents.
Hey, Dad. So I'm thinking, first thing tomorrow, we gotta reinforce the fence around the farm.
But what happened to your friend? Maybe that's not a bad idea.
It smells like.
I know what it smells like.
Duty.
Douri, c'est-à-dire caca.
I miss my mom and dad.
Ouais, je pense encore que c'est encore en vie.
How far is Savannah?
Pretty far.
Oh, okay. I love you, baby.
Il a
Hey,
pas fait
get up.
faillite cette compagnie, il a pas compagnie du jeu.
I'm itchy.
Well, you slept in a barn, little lady. Lucky you don't have spiders in your hair. But I bet your daddy scared them all away, huh?
I'm not her dad. Name's Lee.
I'm Kenny.
Dad, we're in the middle of a fence.
Comment il peut croire que c'est son père? Il est noir et elle est blanche.
We better get going, or we won't hear the end of it. That's my boy, Ken Jr. We call him Duck, though.
Where do parents name their kids Duck?
We're from Fort Lauderdale. We were on our way back before things up and went bananas.
Putain, le petit, il a vraiment une tête atroce de petit con.
Our family's from there.
Well,
Et
making
de
some
l'enfant, tu dis,
way,
traîne pas avec lui.
personally, I'd appreciate the company of a guy who can knock a couple of heads together if he has to.
Elle est métisse, ça, ouais. J'ai pas vu.
Maybe. We'll see how things shake out with this Herschel guy.
Good luck with that. He's a hard ass. Honey, Duck, this is Lee. And, what's the girl's name?
Clementine.
Clementine.
That is a very pretty name.
Thanks.
Well, we should get to work. We've all seen what those things can do out there, so the faster we get this fence up, the better.
I want to build a fence.
Yeah? Well, I need a good
Vraiment une
foreman.
tête de petit
You
con,
can
lui.
sit on the tractor and yell at me whenever.
Need a hand?
That'd be great. If you could cut those 2x to length, that'd sure speed things up.
Non, c'est...
My dad doesn't know how bad it is.
No, he doesn't.
I saw a guy in Atlanta kill a kid. A boy. Just shot him right in the face.
Was the boy one of the walkers?
I don't even know. He was either attacking the guy or asking for help. He didn't even hesitate. He just turned, put the barrel of the gun right between the kid's eyes, and pulled the trigger. You don't see things like that. It's not like in the movies.
They don't fall like you think.
Did you have to do it?
Do what?
Kill. Have you had to off one yet?
Oh, I had to shoot one.
I could shoot one, maybe,
22.
if it were far away. I'm just glad we're getting this fence built. Dad just wants to keep the family safe and thinks inviting people in is a bigger threat than whatever's out there. How about yours? How's your family?
I'm not quite sure where my ex-wife is.
Ah. Oh. Yeah. For sure. That's probably all I need cut for now. Thanks.
I'm sorry about your friend.
Thanks. I appreciate it, man. Anyway, when you see my dad around, he might want some help in the barn.
Et là, inspecteur Derrick.
You should know that if you weren't leaving with Kenny today, I wouldn't stand for your lack of honesty last night.
I'm not sure I follow.
I ain't dumb. I caught you in that lie last night about who you were with in that car. And honestly, I don't even want to know.
Occupe-toi de tes fesses, sa
How'd you
mère.
get out of Atlanta?
I was on my way out anyway. Timing of all this just happened to be right.
Huh, if there ever is a good time for the supposed apocalypse.
This farm's a nice plot of land.
Huh, had you told me 20 years ago I'd still be doing this, I would have told you that you were full of crap. Never was a plan, having a place like this. It was in the family, and I guess so was I. Family's important. It's all that matters. You agree with that?
Was brought up to, yes.
Where's your family now?
Tétale, c'est en quoi ça tétale?
Wife? Girlfriend?
No family. I had a beta fish on my desk at the university.
I hope someone remembered to feed him. But now you've got this little girl to take care of. Clementine, is it? You just stumbled up on her?
I was being attacked and she came to my rescue.
Can I give you a piece of advice?
Sure.
I don't know who you are or what you did, but you better become a better liar, and fast. Let's say things don't get better back in the cities, or they get worse before they do. You're gonna have to depend on the honesty of strangers if you're gonna make it. And if those same people get to questioning yours, you're gonna be in trouble.
Cet enculé, quand je lui mens, il me dit dégage, tu mens. Quand je lui dis la vérité, il me dit apprends à mentir.
Himself. But at least you have the common sense to listen to a man giving you advice.
C'est de ma gueule, lui.
Go! I'll get my gun!
Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Ah, son petit-fils, son fils. Il mérite sa mort, le petit. Hein. Si j'ai le choix, je laisse le fils crever.
My leg is stuck. Off of me. Fuck. Just move this thing.
J'ai essayé de sauver Sean.
Eddie, don't bleed. Eddie.
Oh, il est mort. J'ai essayé de l'aider, hein. J'ai essayé de l'aider, hein. On dirait que je pouvais rien faire.
I'm okay, Pop. I'm okay.
I can fix you, don't worry. We'll stitch you up.
It almost got me, man. Lee tried to save
C'est
me.
marqué, on peut pas sauver tout le monde, le diable. Il même pas pensé au gosse. Ah non, le gosse, il avait dit que sa sale tête, je voulais qu'il meure. Lui, il m'a beaucoup plus touché que le gosse. Un gosse dans ce monde-là, ça sert à rien. Pas des adultes. Et c'est le gosse qui a le truc que son père a, qui jouait avec le truc qui a écrasé le pied de son père.
Get out. Get the fuck out of here! I'm sorry. Sorry? Your son is alive. You don't get to be sorry. You tried to help him, but this piece of shit let him die.
If Kenny had helped, his son would be alive.
Ah oui.
That's why I wish you were dead for the rest of my life.
Oui, oui, on balance. Kenny, t'es parti.
Get out and never come
Allez,
back.
démerde-toi avec ta famille, bye. En plus, tu regardes mal. En plus, tu regardes mal. J'avoue, j'ai été méchant de dire ça, mais...
Got that ride to make it if you want it.
Eh, barre-toi avec ton sale gosse, là. On s'en bat les couilles. Juste, il regarde mal, c'est un ouf. Faites la gueule. Le mec, bah oui, c'est de sa faute. Quoi, je veux dire quoi? Non, la paix, c'est... Non, 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 c'est de ta faute balèze, frère. T'as fui. Et il me dépose quand même.
Well, this is as far as we're going.
Then it's far enough.
À la moindre occasion, je le laisse crever, mais... Lui, sa femme et son gosse. Clémentine, il n'y a que toi et moi qui comptent. On est dans un monde apocalyptique, on n'a pas le temps de faire de la Zumba. Ah, mais moi, dans ma tête, il n'y a que moi et la petite qui compte. Hein. Lui, là, j'attends sa mort.
Hey there. You
T'es des bêtes ou
friendly?
quoi? C'est clairement un zombie.
Truck's run out of gas.
Qui a fait ça? Ah, c'est l'asiatique.
We can't take risks like this. And we can't just let people die either. When I say that door stays shut no matter what, I fucking mean it. We don't know who these people are. It could be dangerous.
Worse, they could have let them right to us.
Where the hell is your humanity? They would have died out there.
Then we let them.
We can't trust anybody. We already know that.
You'll have to excuse her.
The hell he or anyone will. This is about survival. Do you guys not see what's happening?
What is it?
I have to pee.
I'm
I'd
there.
go out there again in a second.
Then just go.
Quand je vais mal
They've
parler.
got kids, Lily.
Those things outside don't care.
Maybe you should go join him then. You'll have something in common.
Ouais, il est
God
sévère, lui.
damn it, Lily. You have to control these people.
Carly and Glenn just ran out there.
She's the leader here, but it looks like she's losing control of her people.
If you were in my shoes, you'd be the...
Holy shit. Son of a bitch. One of them is bitten.
He wasn't bitten.
Hell, he wasn't. We have to end this now. Over my dead body. We'll dig one hole.
No, I'm cleaning him up. There's no bite. He's fine.
Don't you fucking people get it? We've already seen this happen. We let someone with a bite stay in, and we all end up bitten. Shut up. We
Ouais, je l'ai
gotta
bête,
throw
ou
him
quoi?
out, or smash his head in.
Kenny, stop him!
What do we do about this guy?
Dad, it's just a boy. It's...
Lily, I'll handle this.
We reason with him.
With the bloody end of an axe handle, maybe. Nobody threatens my boy.
Everyone chill the fuck out! Nobody's doing
Je prends le parti de personne
Shut
mort.
up, Lily. And you, shut the fuck up. They will find us, and they will get in here.
Bon, lui, je vais le tuer. Si je peux, je le calme.
But right now, we're about to be trapped in here with one of those things. What the hell are you talking about? He's bitten! That's how you turn!
He's not bitten. Please stop this. It's upsetting him.
Oh, I'm upsetting him. Upsetting is getting eaten alive.
Coup de pression.
That's it.
You're gonna whoop me? You and what homo parade? This one. That's good. Little boy, before you eat your mommy, you can watch your dad get his nose broken. I'm gonna kill him, Cat. Just worry about Duck.
Lee,
Yeah?
there's someone in there.
It's just locked. Key's behind the counter. Probably.
Hey, I'm not the bad guy here. I'm just looking out for my daughter. No, you're just the guy arguing for killing a kid. He's covered in mud.
Il y a de la tension là, ça devient intéressant.
Watch. She won't. And if she does, the first thing he'll do is sink his teeth into his mom's face. Then, once she's dead, he'll probably pounce on your little girl.
It's a little boy. I think we can handle it.
A little boy? He'll be an uncontrollable man-eater. It's not gonna happen. It is. And we're tossing him out now.
Désolé, Kenny, laisse-le. Non, arrête-le. Frappe-le, Kenny, arrête-le.
This guy out.
Happily.
Jesus!
Oh man.
Wesh! Qu'est-ce qui se passe là? Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
You okay?
Just great, thanks.
Mais le laisse mourir là. Le bléard rouillé.
Guys?
Ken se souviendra qu'il faut les protéger.
Everybody down. Stay quiet.
Et il n'y en a pas un qui a les couilles de Rick.
Is that the military?
I don't know.
Thank God for whatever it is.
We almost died because of this bitch and Richie Triggerfinger. That was stupid. That was... Dad!
Fait une attaque.
What's wrong with him?
It's his heart.
My pills.
Nitroglycerin pills?
Yes, we're out. We've been trying to get into the pharmacy since we got here. Please try to get in there. Behind the counter where the pills are.
Il arrivera d'une manière ou d'une autre.
There's probably another entrance. Maybe through the office.
How do you know that's an office?
Educated guess.
It doesn't matter. We need nitroglycerin pills. Please get in there. I'll keep an eye on my dad.
Est-ce que je vais faire le bénévole?
And look for anything useful. We could be in here a while.
I'm starting to think
Je vais faire le bénévole.
solution.
You're right. This ain't exactly Fort Knox.
What do you suggest?
We need as much gas as possible so we can all get out of downtown Macon. Fast.
Agreed.
and I'll head out and get gas. There's a motel not too far from here, out towards the end of Peachtree. I'll work my way towards it,
pour ce
then
beau
loop back so I
espace
can
frérot,
run my
chef. Tu connais bien la ville? Toujours l'asiatique qui connaît bien la ville, je suis mort.
Born and raised.
If you're gonna do that, here's a walkie-talkie if you get in a tight spot. Hopefully, you won't need it.
Cool.
Clementine's got the other one. Check in with her and get back here as soon as you can.
And you, what's your name?
It's Lily. My dad's Larry.
Keep a good eye on him. These boys will work on getting you your medicine.
That's right.
And you keep an eye on that front door. You're our lookout.
It's Doug. You got it.
And I'm Carly.
Okay, Carly. You'll shift in with Doug when he needs it. For now, get some rest. You're a good shot, and I'd like to keep it that way.
You got it, boss.
Now get him those pills.
We prove that that guy worked here, and then we can try to clear the street to search him for the keys.
Yeah, probably easier said than done.
Comment je peux prouver?
Did you guys try to get in there and get weapons?
I did, but it was too risky. And then a bunch of guys showed up and they tried.
And what happened?
I think they're most of who you see wandering around out there.
Ouais. Faut que j'y aille, je sors.
Hey man, what are you doing? We can't even think about going out there unless the keys are out there for sure.
Putain, fais chier. Comment je peux être sûr que les clés sont là, là?
It doesn't seem like that trap guy's going anywhere anytime soon.
Nope. I hope he ended up that way and wasn't a living guy who got trapped and then bitten.
Jesus, no kidding.
Forcément un indice, j'ai cliqué sur tous les baisers.
It's doing what monks do.
Voilà, donc.
Let's head back inside.
Okay.
J'ai déjà fait jeu narratif RPG.
I can't think about them in here. Luckily, there's nothing I need in here.
Rien dont on a besoin dedans.
My parents came in here hoping to survive. But it looks like one of them was hurt. I wonder if it was my dad. Trying to be a hero, maybe. A protector, at least. There's a photo over there.
C'est son pote. Je reconnais une image générée avec l'IA.
Find anything?
No, nothing.
I know who you are. You're Lee Everett. You're a professor at Athens who killed a state senator who was sleeping with your wife. This is your parents' store. Folks around town know the owner's son got himself a life sentence, but I'm a reporter for WABE in Atlanta. I paid attention to that trial. Maybe you're a murderer, but I don't really care. Frankly,
Ah
that's a
d'accord,
stake
il a
my
tué le mec qui couchait avec sa femme.
Did you tell anyone out there who you were, or that you were tied to this
Je vois
place?
pas l'intérêt. À part s'il le connaissait.
The world is ended out there. Who cares who I am?
If you don't think people will find any reason to turn on you, especially when the shit hits the fan, you're insane.
Whatever.
You seem like an okay guy, and the last thing we need is drama out there. You've got this little girl to take care of, and look, don't make me wrong on this.
Occupe-toi de tes fesses.
Good, because if this lasts longer than a few days, and you're a detriment to the group, then we'd have a problem.
I hear you.
I'll just keep it to myself.
I don't trust you.
Well, you better try.
Ah oui, je l'ai pas fait confiance. Elle peut s'en souvenir pendant 20 jours même. Elle n'aura jamais ma confiance, cette jeune, cette femme. Eh, je pourrais me battre avec ça.
What's that?
A weapon.
This was my dad's cane. He'd zip around here on it from time to time.
Was he sick?
Nah, he was okay. I actually saw him whoop shoplifters with it. And his canes protected this place better than any guard dog ever could. Plus, he knew how to make it look cool.
Merde, c'est même pas une arme que je garde.
My dad gave it to me.
See, Dad's just smart like that.
Putain, c'est éducatif.
Ow!
Are you okay?
I hurt my finger.
Is it bleeding?
A little.
I'll find you a bandage.
On va trouver le bandage. Là, il y avait un kit de trucs là.
There's a band-aid in there, I bet.
Oh, good.
On va le prendre alors, c'est un bandage. Hein. Putain, les zombies, ils ont débarqué récemment, mais on dirait qu'ils sont là depuis 100 ans. Tu sais comment ils sont crades là, on dirait que ça fait 100 ans qu'il y a les zombies.
It hurt.
Let's see if we can do something about it. Does it hurt when I do this?
A little. Not too much.
You sure?
Yeah.
Let's get this cut covered up.
Yes, please.
Bizarre, hein. Le perso, c'est un mec bizarre. Un mec bizarre, le perso que je joue, là.
Yeah?
What if my parents come home and I'm not there?
I don't think they will. They want you to be safe. We'll find them if we can.
I've got my walkie-talkie in case they try that way.
Stay close to me.
Putain, il veut pas dire les termes.
Wanna head back into the drugstore with me?
Okay. Lee,
Yeah?
you're not bad, right?
Why are you asking me
That lady said you killed someone. Was that because he was one of the things trying to eat you?
that? No, he wasn't.
Oh. Was he bad?
He was.
Faut lui dire les termes, elle est pas contente, elle peut se démerder et se barrer, la petite. Hein. Tu n'es pas un méchant. On est où là?
Hey there, this is Glenn, and I'm kinda in a jam here. Little girl, if you're there, can you put your daddy on the phone? Or on the talkie or whatever?
This is Lee. What's up?
So, I'm down at that motor inn, and, well, I'm stuck.
Stuck?
Yeah, I saw a chance to get some supplies for the group, and a bunch of the Roman ones got the jump on me. I'm hiding over here, but they won't leave.
What's up? Glenn's trapped down at the motor inn. Hey, Glenn. We're gonna talk it over and send a group to come get you, alright?
Awesome. I'll sit tight till then.
Sounds good. I'm gonna hold on to this until we get Glenn back, okay? I'll take good care of it.
What do you think?
I think Doug's not great around zombies. You got your family here. I'll take Carly and her dead eye down to the motor inn, get Glenn, and get back here as fast as I can.
If that's what you want to do.
Somebody's got to.
Yeah, I'm in.
Good. Doesn't sound too bad there right now.
Let me know as soon as you want to head out. I could use a job. You got it. You?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Enfin, on quitte cette putain de pharmacie une demi-heure qu'on est dedans. Putain, y'a pas un mec qui a les couilles de Rick là, qui est avec une botte de baseball à la Negan qui défonce ses zombies. Alors, ça y est, les où?
Did you see that?
Sure did. Be ready to shoot.
Guys! Oh, man, I'm glad you're here.
Jesus, Glenn.
Alright, that wasn't so hard.
Can we get out of here before any of these things notice us?
Not yet. There's a survivor trapped up there.
No way. We gotta go now.
Listen, I was out here looking for gas, and then, up there in the corner room, I heard crying coming from inside.
Who is it?
It's a girl. We talked and she got frightened. I was trying to get in and help her, and she started...
Glenn, tu penses avec ta teub.
I tried to convince her I wasn't, and that's when all these guys came out of the forest. A couple almost got me, and I ended up hiding in the ice.
Mais il a un grand cœur.
Now let's go.
We can't just leave her.
Damn right we can.
You guys are suicidal. Over a girl.
I'm saving her.
Hey, vous êtes suicidaire tout ça pour une femme? C'est mal connaître les hommes, madame. C'est mal connaître la fonce dalle qu'on doit avoir en temps d'apocalypse. T'imagines la fonce dalle en temps d'apocalypse? Madame, ça en vaut la peine. D'ailleurs, c'est le film, c'est le scénario du film 28 jours plus tard. Hein, pour ceux qui se rappellent. C'est quoi ce délire, hein?
We don't know how hard it's gonna be to get her out of that room.
Yeah, it's boarded up.
So we have to kill every one of them in here. Quietly. Noise attracts these things. Now let's have a look around.
Ok, qu'est-ce que je dois faire? Regardez ce joystick par le haut.
Oh man, she's eating something.
Eh, parfait.
Alright, let's see those ninja rocks.
Ninja what now?
You picked up that spark plug that shattered that window, right?
What the hell are you talking about?
Let me see the spark plug. Porcelain inside these things turns car windows to tissue. Ow! Hey man, that drew some attention. Be careful.
Faut qu'on aille sauver cette pauvre femme.
That could scramble a brain pretty good.
That's exactly what I would.
Oh, j'ai pas appuyé le bon moment. J'ai pas appuyé au bon moment. Je suis trop con. Je pensais que ça allait automatiquement me truc là, j'ai pas fait au bon moment. Allez, retourne-moi là-bas. Ok. C'est la honte de mourir dans un jeu comme ça. Non, super, j'en ai pertinemment conscience. Mais en fait, c'est tombé les touches Xbox là, mon cerveau il a du mal à les... Voilà. Bon, c'est fait. Maintenant, on va où?
I hope that girl's okay.
Il y a moyen d'aller autre part. Là, il n'y a rien à gratter. En vérité, là.
I'll wait for him to get closer.
Il y a pas rien de ce côté, hein, en vérité. On peut être ce que tu veux d'abord. Je l'avais déjà eu, lui. T'es mort, donc ça reset l'interaction, hein, d'accord. Lâche, lâche.
Dude, where'd your weapon go? Holy shit. It's cool. Now we've got this.
Are you two done?
That should help.
Ok. On va se déplacer, hein, on va prendre les escaliers, j'imagine.
Why don't you guys lag behind just in case this goes to hell?
Okay, we'll be right behind you.
Rad.
Catégorique. Oh la junkie. Tout ça pour une junkie.
I said stay away.
We need to get you help.
It's too late for that.
Guys, she's been bitten.
What?
I told you, I said go away. I'm bit. But you wouldn't just leave.
Let's calm down. You could be fine.
I won't be fine. My boyfriend was bitten. You get sick and you die and you come back and you kill anything
Parce
you
qu'on
can
l'achève,
find.
hein.
You have a boyfriend?
When?
I don't want that. It's not Christian. Please, just leave me. Please go.
Si j'ai le choix, je l'achève.
What if you turn and follow us back to our group?
I know that was why I was locked away. I can't let this happen to me. You have a gun.
So?
Can I borrow it?
What do you mean, borrow?
Give it to me. I can just, end this, and then there's no problem.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Please, I don't want to be one of them. They're satanic.
We can't let you do that to yourself.
Then do it for me.
We need to get going.
Give it to me, please.
This is crazy.
Please, step back.
It's just 2 seconds, just one bullet, and I can be with my family, and it'll all be fine.
Miss.
Back up, please.
Oh. Je vais lui mettre une balle dans la tête, la petite. Hein.
Whoa, take it easy. Just want to help.
You can't.
Miss, just relax now. You need to think this through. We'll find you a doctor. It'll be okay. Let's all
Just
just
tirer une balle qu'on en finisse. Fais le super-héros là. Le seul problème c'est qu'elle gâche la balle de ouf. Elle gâche une balle. De toute façon elle allait se transformer donc quelque part. Par contre lui il avait vraiment la dalle. Hein. Quand il a entendu elle a un petit ami il était zef. Il voulait vraiment se vider. Le bruit a attiré d'autres monstres en fait.
Here they come! Get in!
Ça vite, c'est bon.
Everyone up.
Think you can do anything with this?
You know what I could do?
What's that?
It's universal. I could program it to work with those TVs across the street. Let's just hope the power's still on.
You can just do that?
I memorized all the codes when I was in AV. Let's try.
Well fucking done, Doug. All that dork nonsense might save a life.
Who's to say it already hasn't?
GG, le mec qui m'a donné l'astuce. GG.
Now's the time.
Ah oui, c'est le moment. Cours.
Be careful. Keep an eye out, will you? Hey, bud. I don't know what happened to Mom and Dad, but I know if you were there, you would have died for them. So, yeah. I'm gonna assume that's what happened.
Did you find them yet?
Give me a second. I got to do this now, man. I got to do this.
C'est triste, tuer son propre frère. On appelle ça un fratricide. C'est le fratricide, wesh. Il a mal visé, on a mal visé la tête, on a mal visé la tête, voilà. Oh, visé. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? C'est bon. Toujours pas mort. Bordel de merde. Je ne sais pas, ça ne fait pas l'électricité. Ça ne veut pas. Merde. Il a pris du plaisir, le souffle.
There we go.
Holy crap! Run!
Ouais.
Man, that was close.
But we did it. It's all that matters. I've got the keys.
Great. God, you're amazing. Let's
On
get
peut gérer des meufs dans le jeu? Je veux dire, faire des vrais bails? Ou non? Faire des vrais baisers. C'est pas ça que je veux faire, c'est le truc.
Was worth a shot. Keys it is, I guess.
Je vois que oui, tu fais les bons choix. Même tu ne pars pas le nord.
Oh no. Shit. We gotta hurry.
Là, c'est une question de joueur de persona. Exactement, tu peux gérer, mais en fonction de tes choix, il y a des romances possibles. On s'amuse, équipe. Ouais, c'est pas nul, hein. Honnêtement, c'est pas nul, hein.
Doug, come on, baby, time to go.
I'm gonna get the truck pulled up right back!
Do it fast. I gotta get my dad out of here.
I don't plan on dilly-dallying. Honey, take Duck into the office and barricade the living hell out of the door behind me. Glenn, when you hear me honking in the alley, start getting people out of here. You got it. Doug, Carly, and Lee, you guys make sure our defenses stay up till then. And Lee, I better take that axe in case I run into any of them on the way to my truck.
Here you go.
Alright, that door's not locked anymore.
Pourquoi je veux donner la
Shit! You three, get on it! I'll get back as fast as I can.
Oh, j'ai pas oublié lui, hein.
Stay away from the windows.
Qu'est-ce que je dois faire là?
Hey, Lee, if we don't make it through this, you should know that I think you're a great guy.
We will make it through this.
Doug, if we don't make it through this, you should...
I should know what? Huh? You said I should know.
Are you sure? Okay, then. Clementine, can you look for something to stick in between the handles? Something real strong, okay?
Okay.
Clementine, did you find anything?
Nothing.
Clémentine, dépêche-toi, Clémentine.
I found something.
La canne. La canne de papy, la canne de papy, c'est la canne de papy. Il va faire un choix là? On va sauver elle. Désolé, en temps de guerre, les femmes et les enfants d'abord. On va bien pouvoir repeupler la terre en cas de danger. Ouais, c'est ça ce matin. Oh, je lui ai ramené son médicament, ce fils de pute. Attends, je lui ai ramené son médecin qui m'a vraiment mis un KO là. Wesh. Ah, je crois que c'était moi qui l'ai tué. Oh putain, j'ai cru que c'était moi qui l'avais tué. Oh, j'allais dire, oh le salaud. C'est vrai que je l'avais balance, mais quand même. Bute le... Le vieux fume le... Là, le vieux, si je peux, je le fume. À la moindre occasion, je le laisse crever ou je le fume. Là, la meuf, je l'ai sauvée tout à l'heure, juste parce que tout à l'heure, elle a dit « Je dois t'avouer un truc ». Et ça m'intéresse ce qu'elle veut avouer. Donc ça, j'ai laissé le blondinet mourir. Bah, à la base, c'est lui que j'aurais dû sauver.
Oh man, Clementine. So...
Ouais, non, ça monte en pression. Hein. C'est un peu lent, mais c'est vrai que ça monte en pression. Et là, c'est la saison 1. Là, j'ai fini la saison 1, c'est ça? Vendeur de meufs, je souffre. Je souffre, rien à voir. Je dois aller où là?
Hey, Glenn.
J'ai fini l'épisode 1 de la saison 1, mais il y a d'autres épisodes. Ah, c'est l'épisode 1 de la saison 1?
To Atlanta?
Yeah, I got friends there. And I just can't stay here knowing that they could be trapped in that city.
Sounds like nobody knows what's happening there. When we left a few days ago, could have gone either way.
I gotta take my chances.
Ah, il y a 5 épisodes par saison, ok. Pourquoi elle a fait cette tête, elle? On fait ce qu'on a à faire.
Find your friends. Be safe.
Thanks, Lee. That means a lot. I don't mean to abandon you all, but this seems like an okay setup. And I'm sure things
Ah oui, fais ta vie, frérot. Je suis pas ton putain de daron.
You guys be safe.
We'll try.
Fais ta vie, ma gueule, t'en bats les couilles des autres. A plus, Glenn. T'es le meilleur d'entre nous. Par contre, l'autre fils de pute, lui, il a faux. Que si je peux l'enculer là, j'espère que je peux le tuer et me barrer avec la petite.
Hey, kid.
Close call back there.
Thanks for picking me up.
No problem. We have to take care of each other.
Yeah, we do.
You said you wanted kids once.
I did, yeah.
Well, she's not your daughter, so you can't treat her like she is.
Yeah, I know that.
But you can take care of her. Hell, maybe better than a father even could.
Thanks, Kenny.
I got your back, pal.
C'est un bon, lui, hein. Même si son fils, c'est un petit merdeux. La daronne, là, j'ai pas la cala. Elle, là, doit me remercier, je vais sauver la vie.
How you doing, Carly?
I'm okay. You know, considering.
I do, yeah.
I can't stop thinking about Doug. We couldn't have saved him, could we?
I don't think so. It happened pretty fast.
I know it's stupid. We just met. And he was such a... It's just that... I think that I liked him.
Well, I'm sure he liked you too.
You better have. Anyway, I'd rather be alone, I think.
Attends, je voulais me dire un truc avant.
Wait, Lee?
What is it?
How did you choose? We both needed you. You picked me.
Je vais vous aider. Je pensais que t'avais besoin d'aide.
I thought you needed the help,
Ah, that makes sense.
but it wasn't a choice like that. It was just something I did. I don't know why.
I just wish we both could have made it, you know?
Me too, Carly.
Attends, mais le secret, là. Elle devait nous dire un secret, elle veut pas nous le dire. Elle dit avant que si on meurt, je veux que tu dises un truc, putain de sa mère. Ce genre de jeu là, je l'ai sauvé pour rien, j'aurais su, j'aurais sauvé le blondinet. Bolou le vieillard là.
Oh man, check this out. The Dumatron had this minigun on his shoulder. It's all like pow, pow, pow. I thought Super Dinosaur was toast. But no
Ah, il fait
way.
rien?
He wasn't. Oh, and
Il lui fait rien?
Duck, you want to cool it for a minute?
Okay, sorry.
C'est pas... S'il lui fait rien, j'arrête le jeu. Hein.
There's not a lot of kids here.
Si vraiment il lui fait rien, j'arrête le jeu, je le désinstalle.
I got grabbed again.
I was there, though.
I fell, and my walkie-talkie
Et on peut se faire la gueule comme ça dans le jeu et on n'a pas le choix de se venger.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thanks. I know I need to be tough. I'm just sad. I know it doesn't make any sense, but it's how I used to talk to my mom and dad. And now they're gone. It's gone.
Maybe we can find you another one.
I'll just keep this one, I guess.
Lee, come here for a second.
Let me go deal with this.
Oh man, Clementine, another thing.
Ah, il casse les couilles ce petit con.
What do you want?
You like my daughter?
Yeah, she's great.
Well, stay the fuck away from her.
Or what?
Or, everyone will know that you, Lee Everett, are a killer. And you were before it was something you had to do to stay alive. I know who you are. And I don't give a shit about what happens to you. But if anything happens to my daughter or that little girl you've got with you, you watch your ass.
Attends, mais ces mecs-là, on va les revoir ou pas là?
Hey, Lee, do you have a second?
Si je peux me faire sa fille, c'est avec plaisir.
My dad would be dead if it weren't for you.
That guy Doug is dead because of me.
You can't be like that. You're only one man. We're lucky to have you.
C'est pour ce que de ça, t'es un malade. Ah, mais t'as vu comment il gaze? C'est une manière de me venger.
Hope that's the sound of us winning this thing.
Me too.
This motor inn's pretty damn defendable. We block off the entrances with some cars, keep someone on watch. We could stay here until the military rolls through.
I actually agree with that plan.
Me too.
We got beds, we got water, and most importantly, we got light. There are worse places to call home.
Yeah, you're right. You know, guys, I think it's going to be okay.
Je vais tellement gérer sa fille. Je vais tellement gérer sa fille, il aura tellement de rageuse, putain de race là. Ah, tellement le seum, ce putain de race là. Ça va bien se passer. Bon, je continuerai ce jeu. Ok. Franchement, le jeu est cool. Le début, j'étais un peu en mode putain, c'est un peu de la merde. Mais on finit par rentrer dedans, moi j'aime bien. Je pense que je vais continuer. Parce qu'il y a un délire où l'histoire, quelque part, tu te dis hey, qu'est-ce que je peux faire? Est-ce que tel. Il y a une histoire. T'as envie de voir la fin, tu vois. Il y a une histoire. Donc ça change des jeux auxquels j'ai l'habitude de jouer, encore une fois. Moi personnellement, j'aime bien, donc je pense que je continuerai ce jeu. On m'a dit qu'il y a une version Game of Thrones. Version Game of Thrones, ça doit être lourd. Hein. Version Game of Thrones, ça doit être très très lourd. Hein. Version Game of Thrones, ça doit être pas. Mais par contre, là, ça fait pas mal de jeux que j'ai envie de continuer à faire. Donc je pense au bout d'un moment, je vais stop un peu le un jour par jeu. Je vais finir les jeux là. Après, on va reprendre des nouveaux jeux. Parce que sinon, mon PC, il tiendra pas tous les jeux. Hein. Là, il peut encore peut-être tenir encore un jeu qui se ramène, mais il tiendra pas tous les jeux. Donc bref, on arrive en fin de live. Qui dit fin de live dit nouveau choix de jeu qui s'oppose à vous. Hein, votez dans le chat. Donc les jeux sélectionnés sont les suivants. Nier Automata, The Walt, Mass Effect, GOT. Votez, votez. Pour l'instant, ça joue entre Nier Automata. Ça joue un peu là. Hein. Ça joue à très très peu, les gars. Ça joue à très très peu là. Mass Effect 17, 15, Nier Automata 14. Moi personnellement, j'aurais voulu jouer à. Bon, en fait, même GOT. Si c'est le même style, GOT, pourquoi pas en vérité. Mais Nier Automata, j'entendais souvent la Sainte en parler en mode jeu de ouf. J'aurais bien aimé test. Mais bon, c'est GOT. Hein. Putain, il y a égalité. Attends, il y a vraiment égalité ou je rêve là? Attendez. Ah non, c'est GOT. GOT 2 fois. C'est GOT, ça sera GOT, les gars. Faudra juste me dire c'est quelle version de GOT, c'est exactement. C'est la même version en mode je sais pas quoi. Ça peut être cool, hein, moi je dis pas, hein, ça peut être cool. Donc, prochain jeu, GOT. Donc, why not? Donc, enfin bref, les gars, prenez soin de vous. On se dit à tout à l'heure. Hein, likez, partagez, abonnez-vous. Ça, c'est pour YouTube. Et moi, je vous dis à plus dans le bus.